So I got this package in the mail. It's from Merit Beauty, and they actually launched with Sephora. There's a campaign called Clean at Sephora, more of like a natural type of brand. It's good for sensitive skin. So they sent me 6 products that I want to show you guys. I'm so excited to try them because I do have sensitive skin, and like I know just like a lot of the products that we use in our makeup are just very harmful. When I wear foundation, my nose starts watering like just non-stop. So there are like a lot of chemicals in our makeup. So this brand is basically, it is a clean line, and they're all about like minimalistic beauty and like 5-minute makeup. And I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. And thank you, Merit, for sending me these products. You guys see, it says Merit Minimalistic Beauty. Less is more. So that is generally what they believe. Less is more. So it actually comes with this cute little bag. So all my makeup came in this little bag here. It's a cute little velvet bag, and you can actually wear this pretty much anywhere. I think it's just so stylish. It's a velvet. You can use it as a makeup bag, you can use it as a regular bag, and I just think it's super cute. So if you do decide to place an order, you'll get this free little cute bag, but only for the month of December. So I feel like it's just so cute, especially if you're getting this for someone as a Christmas gift or for yourself. All of my products came in here. 6 products. I'm so excited to show them with you guys and try them out. Okay. What should I start with? Maybe I should start with my brows. So this is a volumizing pomade, and look at the packaging. Ooh, this is really pretty. Wow, I'm actually blown away. Very high end looking. I usually fill in my brows with a pencil, or I used to use the like the dip brow, but now I'm using pencil. So I've never really used anything like this, but it's funny because I was just mentioning this to my friend, saying that, you know, maybe I can try something like a brow tint, right? Give me that extra little pop, you know? My eyebrows were microbladed. I had them microbladed twice. So the first time I had them done, I don't know how many years ago now, like almost 4 years ago. And I don't know what the girl used, what kind of dye she used, but literally my eyebrows in certain light, like usually daylight, they look a little not orange, they look a little burgundy. Like I'm not like, I don't know what she used, so I need to like conceal them. I've had them microbladed since, but it doesn't really cover it up, so I don't know if that's gonna fade. I don't know what's going on. Comment below if this is happening to you, because it's just really weird. Like I don't know if it's the products that I'm using. I do use a lot of retinols and like acids. Ooh, I like this. This is like, ooh, cute. Ooh, I like it. This is kind of like setting my brows at the same time. I have very unruly eyebrows, so anything that helps keep them like in place is perfect for me. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh, I like it. And yeah, like I said, the fragrance is very light, so that's good. Okay, so that's it for my brows. What should I do next? Maybe I should do my lashes. Okay, next I'm gonna use the mascara. I love trying new mascaras. Isn't that pretty? You guys see? Super luxe looking. The golden black looks nice. So yeah, I always do this with my mascara because I don't like clumpy lashes. If you hold it for 10 seconds, you'll set it. This is the golden tip. People always ask me why it takes me so long to apply my mascara. Because I have to set it and I apply like multiple coats, so it's not clumpy, not doing any funny stuff. I should have put my hair back for this. This looks so good. Always do my bottom lashes. Boom, lashes are done. What's next? Okay. There's a brush and a perfecting complexion stick. Now for the complexion stick, I'm not good at choosing my colors, like my skin colors online. I'm just not good at it. I tried. I feel like this one is good if, like I can't use this as a concealer, but I can use it to maybe cover up some hyperpigmentation, which I definitely have right now. It recently broke out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it with this brush. The packaging is just like so nice. Brush, isn't that cute? Feels super soft. It's so soft. And look at this, you guys. Look at this packaging. It's so beautiful. Just the colors and like the feel. It's like this beautiful matte. See? What color is this? This is the color Suede. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, because yeah, this looks like, for me this is too dark to use as a concealer, but you're supposed to basically use this, I was reading up on it, for just to cover any hyperpigmentation or just like in places where you feel like you need it. So this is really good because on like just on a regular day like today, I don't like wearing foundation. I keep it really simple. I just basically brows, mascara, make sure that I cover up any spots I have, lip gloss or like whatever, lipstick, and a little bit of blush, and I'm usually out the door. Like that's about it. So I'm gonna try to apply this with this and see how it goes. Oh, I broke out the other day, literally like bad. And I have some hyperpigmentation here and here, here. My like dark marks last forever. I don't know, maybe I'll try it on my nose. I usually do this around my nose. I usually put concealer. So we'll see. We're just gonna blend it out with the brush. Oh wow. Okay, this looks like it's blending really well. But yeah, this would definitely be perfect color if I was just a little more tanned. Or maybe I'll do my, once I self-tan. So yeah, you're just supposed to like blend. My hair back. What is happening right now? Okay. And it just goes on so flawlessly and creamy. I love it. Doesn't smell like anything. Ooh, so I got a little highlight. Oh, it feels so nice. Ooh. Can you guys see that? I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Ooh. You know, sometimes you just want that little extra. Let me see. Actually, hold on. Let me do this. This is nice. It's so smooth and creamy. That's what I like about cream highlight. But some of them are like, they feel really heavy on the skin. This is just giving me like, can you guys see that? Ooh, it looks so nice. Like it doesn't look, I don't look oily or anything. Oh my god, did I even show you guys the packaging? What color is this? Sorry. Kava? It's really pretty. I like my highlight to be like multi-dimensional. So, oh my god, like this is just so nice. This is gorgeous, you guys. Oh my god. This is a shade stick. It's a timed lip oil. Okay, an oil. So that's interesting. This is pretty. So nice. This is called Natural. Doesn't smell like anything, so that I like, because a lot of lip gloss, lip tints, they have a very strong odor. It's so moisturizing. The sheen is gorgeous. It's very high gloss, and it's just like natural, but has a lot of pigment, but it's just really nice. These are the 6 products that they sent me. I absolutely love them. The only thing that I didn't get, I think they were sold out of the blush, and I'm like, oh my god, I have to get the blush because I need to see what this blush feels and looks like on my skin, because everything else is just amazing. But I do always wear blush and sometimes a little bit of bronzer, so let's just do that right now. So I'm using Too Faced, so yeah. So just a little bit of bronzer. Just to give you like an instant tan. Just put a little bit of bronzer. Just like that. Like that makes such a huge difference. So just a little bit of bronzer. You don't want to use too much bronzer because then you end up looking dirty. Oh, and this is NARS. I love this blush. Oh, and the feeling, like this is just so luxe. It's like this matte, smooth. This color is Torrid. This is my newest blush. This is NC30, and I'm gonna go in with this little Morphe brush that I have here. Okay, so just a tiny bit of concealer under the eyes. I usually do around the nose, but I used that, the Merit stick, so I don't really feel like I need it. So this is the finished look right here. I really love how simple yet glam it looks. You can see the beautiful highlight. I hope you guys can see it. It's just really natural looking. It's not giving me like a greasy type of look. Nothing harsh. I just kind of, you guys saw, I just rubbed it in, just like tapped with my fingers, and I just feel really pulled together, natural yet glam, and I really like this look. So I curled my hair last night with literally like I think 3 rollers, and I put in my hair extensions. So I wanted to update you guys on the keratin treatment that I did the other day. So I will be posting that video very shortly. I did my own ion keratin treatment at home. I'm in love with the results. My hair feels so soft. It's very shiny. Looks and feels very healthy. So after the treatment, I wanted to say that my hair did feel a little sticky afterwards. I read up on that after, and that's actually completely normal. Sometimes it depends on the brand of keratin that you get. The one that I got was from Sally's. It was, I believe, $31. But basically, this can also happen with the high-end ones. Your hair will feel sticky at first if your hair is not like thirsty for keratin. My hair personally wasn't thirsty for keratin because every month or so I do a protein keratin 2-minute reconstructor. I use the Avon G line, so I don't know if you guys are familiar with that. It took like about 2-3 days for my hair to like really absorb the keratin. So this is it's been a couple days now, and it feels so soft. Like even the next day it felt so much better. It felt super soft, and just, I don't know, it's very light, it's very airy. So where's my hair? I'll show you guys what it looks like. Well, I don't know, you guys can see like the top, but yeah, this is like all my hair here. It's not like limp like when I relax my hair. It's pretty limp and lifeless. This has a body to it, and it's just really pretty. And of course I clipped in my hair extensions, 2 pieces today. So this is basically like the full set, the 2 seamless pieces. And as you can see, it's a very flat, there's no bulkiness. So thanks again for watching this video today, guys, and I would like to give a special thanks again to Merit Beauty for sending me these products. Like I said, I will leave my promo code for you guys below. You will receive this beautiful velvet bag, but remember, it's only available until the end of December. It's a special holiday edition, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye.